Every call, text, and stream depends on cell sites. They are the backbone of mobile connectivity, and when they go down, customers feel it instantly. For operators, even 1 hour of downtime means lost revenue and unhappy customers. Imagine managing every tower from a single smart dashboard. IoT.nxt gives leaders visibility down to the equipment level with automated insights and control that prevent problems before they escalate. I'm Marianne Loebscher. I'm a product manager at IoT.nxt, and today we're going to talk about cell site management. Traditionally, maintenance is reactive. Fix it when it breaks. IoT.nxt makes it predictive. Fix it before it breaks. Using smart analytics, we detect early warning signs and trigger proactive interventions. It's like upgrading from blind guesswork to a real-time command center, enabling faster decisions, leaner operations, and uninterrupted connectivity. With IoT.nxt, operators typically achieve 50 to 70% less downtime, 30 to 50% fewer site visits, and 15 to 30% lower energy costs. These aren't just numbers. They represent stronger revenue protection, higher customer satisfaction, and better ESG scores. For cell site managers, knowing is power is the difference between chasing outages and breakdowns and preventing downtime before it happens.